Damn, grab your flip-flops, my man, we're going to the beach.
Yeah, what are you talking about, mate?
What do you think, mate? It's time to cheer you up, we're going to the beach, hurry up.
What, seriously, mate, I don't have like a passport or any like clean clothes or anything, man.
Just get ready, mate, because we're going. It's going to be fun, it's going to be good. Hurry up.
Mate, get off your head, man, are you serious?
I'm deadly serious, mate, hurry up.
Where are we going then?
Don't know, anywhere, mate, somewhere sunny.
Oh, yeah,
nice girls.
Oh, mate, I don't know. You paid for all this stuff, man?
Mate, anything to cheer you up.
Oh, lovely, mate, let's do it, mate, let's just do it.
Cold beers.
Just arrived at the resort, it's hot. Let's make the balls pop, Chris, say the totty sort. The sun shines like a diamond, priceless like a pearl. Our shirts look tight, they go nice with the sombreros. Riding in one of them little carriages with pedals, and it's hard to imagine anything being stressful. Making eyes at the senoritas, and they say they want to meet us for a sex on the beach and a fajita. We jump back to our sweet hotel room, done some new rags, don't leave till we smell good. They're the best perfumes. It's about time me and Chris smiled for once and let her hair down. On the Hara de Darada at table 2. In fact, make it 2 plus some shots and a shake or 2. Got my mate, got some drinks, got buds. High on her life for sunshine and short skirts. Mate, check that girl, man, she's so beautiful, mate. She's looking right over at you, honestly, man.
Where are we, miss her there?
Oh, mate, go and talk to her, mate.
Honestly? Oh my missy miss, my name is Kris The Lyricist. Do the tango and the twist and a little dance to this. Sexy not its point, that your pants are getting much to it. Have fun and keep enjoying it. The whole entire point of it. Me Cass's out Casa, the master counting pass. And if you want to twist these and get high like a ass, short skirts and stilettos make some whiskey stove kills. Fantasies of making love in a bed of rose petals. Like a giver makes me laugh, they smell of much class. It's supper back rubs, rubber ducks and bubble baths. Spitting rich my amigo beats Chris like the real. Such a dish to your chips, keep it buzzing like the scales. Check that pornographic action, shake her ass like maracas when I'm juggling by the cactus, but it's rock into practice. Some girls ain't nuts, no love cause love hurts. Cause I'm happy with these flirts, sunshine and short skirts. Sunshine and short skirts, sex and sangria, 3/4 length shorts. Sandals and silk shirts, when the sun goes down absinthe and straight shorts. Senorita shake their ass as they walk. If my line don't work, I'm happy with a smile and a flirt. Here for fun, no trying to get what? Sandy and sun don't have to go to work. Getting higher life, sunshine and short skirts. So happy, chilling with a cold beer underneath a palm tree. Then Chris asked me what time does it flick the park down? Half 3, damn it's half 4. We missed it the same as last week. What do you want to do today? Sit here and drink beer, talk about the barmaid with the pretty rear. Dreaming about whispering sweet nothings in her ear. As I run my fingers through her hair, touch her dirty hair, touch her anywhere. Whoa, baby, isn't he handy there? No tension, I've got the protection. I love making session, perfect in every sense. Bare skin, sweat on adjustable water beds. No hablo Espanol, you make a lot of sense. Picture it like a Kodak, thinking of home. We crashed under a palm tree, trying to think of one little reason why we should even go back. Sunshine and short skirts, sex and sangria, 3/4 length shorts. Sandals and silk shirts, when the sun goes down absinthe and straight shorts. Senorita shake their ass as they walk. If my line don't work, I'm happy with a smile and a flirt. Here for fun, no trying to get what? Sandy and sun don't have to go to work. Getting higher life, sunshine and short skirts.